Who do I call? How do I know I'm not getting taken advantage of by the repair person? How am I supervising? Who's scheduling them when they're coming to the boat and doing the repairs, et cetera, et cetera. So we, our combination of the Yacht Experts with our extended warranty offering is not only protecting you from unexpected costs, which is unpleasant, but dramatically reducing the hassle factor, making sure that when something goes wrong with your boat, and it will, you make one phone call, we keep you posted, we manage the process, start to finish, and boating is supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be a hassle.